Hi, it's Peg, and I am back with watercolor workout. Now, today I have my sketches. I have three sketches that I've created. This is the first one that you saw me working on in the first video of the series. The links will be at the end here, but I have a couple that I'm going to be working with. And I'm just going to grab a watercolor brush. This is a Lowell Corel, can't even say it. Anyway, it's a nice wet brush. It holds a lot of water, and that's what I look for when I'm working like this. And I'm just going to add some water. I have a little, I was mixing colors, so I have a little bit of yellow in my brush that I didn't get all the way washed out. I'm okay with that because it's some of the tones that I plan on using in this particular piece. And I'm just going to start adding some coloration. Now, I did have all of this stuff dictated and narrated, but as was pointed out by one of my viewers, the sound was terrible. I don't know what's going on, guys. The equipment is the same equipment that I use all the time. Things just keep messing up on me, and I apologize. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to do my best to create this series for you, even though I have some technical difficulties. Now, this is just one of the new things that I'm starting for this year. Watercolor is something that I put on the back burner, and I just got some the better watercolors, and I want to try using them in a lot of different techniques and styles just to see what my style really is. I'm not classically trained. I don't know a lot about these different things other than what I have read in books, watched in videos, taken in classes, and I want to find myself, and I hope you want to experience this yourself. And so, to that end, I have created the hashtag so that you can play along and other people can find your video content or your social media, whether it's on Pinterest or Facebook or, wherever you're putting your stuff, Instagram, use the hashtag so that the people in my groups, and I have a group with Shell C, which is Art Joy Sharing. We do videos on that other channel every Thursday, and you might see some watercolor coming out on Thursdays on that channel. Plus, we have the Facebook group, so I'm hoping that people start posting that stuff in the Facebook group. Now, this month, I have kind of challenged the group. We have not only watercolor going on, but gel print going on. And of course, we always have a mood board over there too. And we have closed down, sadly, the Pick a Stick Challenge. And so I invite all of my Pick a Stick friends to come and join us over on Art Joy Sharing because that's kind of where we've moved our intent for this year. So uh, hope you can find us there and join us in that journey because it will be another year-long journey with art. I have a bunch of people that are creating content in that group, so it isn't all just on Shell and me to create the content for you guys. So um, anyway, I am using, these are a mixture of paints. I have some Winsor Newton, I have some Core, I have some Soho, it's just whatever I have that I'm playing with here, and uh, just trying to get something started in this journal. These Arteza journals are student grade. They are not the best for really wet things because they have a lot of cotton and they seem to um, want to pill a little bit. So they're okay for just daily practices like this, and that's all I'm using it for. So, I think I spent $5 because they were one of those lightning deals. So, but you use whatever works for you. We'll talk more about different papers, different paints, all of that sort of thing as the series unfolds throughout the year. And one of the things I like about watercolor is it's easily transportable. And there are many different watercolor mediums out there. So it doesn't just have to be watercolor in the pan. It might be your ink tints. It might be your markers. It might be any number of things that you're using to create uh, with for a water medium. You know, if you have inks, if you have water-soluble inks, those work really well for this. So you're not limited to just, a watercolor palette. There are a number of things that you can use. Just try whatever it is that you have at home. I'm not suggesting you need to rush out and get the exact same thing that I have. What I'm suggesting is try using what you have to create with and share with us and talk about what your journey has been so that we can experience that with you. So I'm just going to continue with this. Unfortunately, like I said, the sound on that original video was just not good. So we'll hope that things get better in the future. And I hope you enjoy this new series. And if you like my video content, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. I have links down below, that aren't necessarily going to cost you anything if you're going to go shopping, but I appreciate it because it puts a few cents in my account so that I can afford to do the videos for you guys. And yeah, that's get off my soapbox now. And just so grateful that you guys are here and on the journey with me. And thanks for your kindness. Have a great 2020. Bye for now.